The quality obtained from a handmade shoe is a transcendental factor in the footwear production process for Grupo Coban, a family business with a legacy of more than 100 years. Located in the municipality of San Cristobal Verapaz, Guatemala, the company represents the largest source of employment and development of talent in the area. Its location has favored Grupo Coban to expand and bring production up to close to 2 million pairs per year. We have state-of-the-art technology and work under the highest quality standards in the industry. This has allowed us to export to Central America, the United States, Canada, the Caribbean, and Europe. Grupo Coban is a vertically integrated company, and we take care of the entire production process, including rubber plantations, our outsole factory, our tannery, and footwear factory. We monitor quality in our own laboratories, from testing durability and safety standards of our outsoles to certification of our final product. We comply with international certifications to meet required standards. Apart from making footwear, we are very committed to the community of San Cristobal Verapaz and help by implementing social projects and educational programs that help our employees and their families. At Grupo Coban, we encourage our employees to improve themselves, to become better people and professionals. We believe that a quality shoe can only be crafted by committed people who excel in their work and help us make the country prosper.